Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial, and today I will show you how to get your personal links or your meeting personal links on Zoom. So now you will need to sign into your web portal or Zoom web portal with your Zoom account. And if you don't already have like an existent Zoom account, you can just sign in with your Google account or Apple or even the Facebook account. So after you sign in, you will find the home page here, or this is our home page. Now I'm going to click on my account, and now you can see the menu or the user panel. So I'm going to my meetings, or you can just go to your profile. Here also we can get our like personal ID where other people can as you can see, this is my personal meeting ID. Yeah, so people can like join your meeting by using the ID, or you can just copy this link here and have it and pass it to other people so they can join your meetings. The other way is to use like the desktop client. So this is another. So you'll find after you open your desktop client of Zoom, you will find this page. So you will need to go to your profile, and then you will click on settings, or you can just have them there, and then you can check this this option. So always not this one. This one ask me to confirm to automatically copy the invite link once the meeting start, so you can have the link. Or you can go to the meetings here, and then you will click on my personal meeting and click on showing meeting invitation, and here you will have your personal ID, and people can like join your meetings just with the ID without using the link. Or you can just have this link here and copy it and pass it to other people, or uh, just you can join your meetings or just by personal link. But make sure that you have like this feature opened in your settings, and that you can or you are enabling people to join with the personal meeting ID here in when you are creating a meeting. So I'm going to schedule a meeting. So you make sure which personal or which link or ID you are going to use, either generated one or a personal one. So basically, this is how you can get your personal links on Zoom. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.